Our next topic is equal sets. So let's see an example. Set A is equal to 2, 3, 5 and set B is equal to x such that x is prime factor of 30. So what are factors of 30? For 30 factors are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. In these prime numbers are 2, 3, 5. So prime B is equal to set of 2, 3, 5. If you observe, A and B have same elements. That means element present in A, all the elements present in A are present in B, and all the elements present in B are present in A. So A, that means A is subset or equal to B and B is subset or equal to A. If this condition holds good, then A will be equal to B. That means we say two sets are equal. Let's see one more example. Example 7. A is equal to PQR and B is equal to QPR. Here if you observe, all the elements present in A are present in B and all the elements present in B are present in A. That means A is subset or equal to B and B is subset or equal to A. Therefore A is equal to B. Eighth example. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 so on natural numbers and N is a set of natural numbers. N is set of natural numbers. So N will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 so on till infinity. Therefore all the elements present in A are present in N and all the elements present in N are present in A. A is subset or equal to N and N is subset or equal to A. Therefore A is equal to N. Next is ninth question. Consider the set A is equal to PQRS. A is equal to PQRS and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Here P is present in A but not in B. Therefore A is not subset or equal to B and B is not subset or equal to A. Therefore A is not equal to B. Next is 10th question. A be the set of prime numbers smaller than C and be the set of prime factors of 30. We have already solved this problem in example. Next question 11. Show that set C and B are equal. C is equal to X such that X is letter in assassination and B is equal to set of X such that X is letter in station. So set C is equal to A comma S. S, you got S second time, you can ignore. You have to enlist all the elements should be unique. You should not repeat the elements. A S I N T O and B is equal to S T A I O N. So there are 6 elements in B and C. All the elements present in C are there in B and all the elements present in B are there in C. C is subset or equal to B and B is subset or equal to C. Therefore C is equal to B. Next, 12th question. Consider the set 5 comma A is equal to 1 comma 3, B is equal to 1 comma 5 comma 9, C is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Insert the symbol subset or not subset between each of the following pairs. First one 5 dash B. Empty set is always a subset of any set, so it is subset. Second one A dash B. Here A is 1, 3, B is 1, 5, 9. So 3 is present in A and 3 is not present in B, so it is not subset. Third one A dash C. In A elements are 1, 3. In C 1, 3, 5, 7. So elements 1, 3 are present in both A and C, so it is subset. Fourth one B dash C. So in B elements are 1, 5, 9 and C 1, 5, 9 and 3, 7. are there. So B elements in B are there in C. So B is subset to C. Next, exercise 2.3. First question. X is the letter of the word follow. A is equal to letter of the word follow. X says that X is letter in follow. B is equal to X says that X is letter in flow. And C is X says that X is letter in wolf. Now, if you observe, A is equal to F comma O comma L comma W, and B is equal to F comma L comma O comma W. C will be equal to W comma O comma L comma F. So all the present elements present in A are there in B and in C. All elements present in B are there in A and C. All elements present in C are there in A and B. Therefore, A is equal to B, B is equal to C, C is equal to A. All these three sets are equal sets. Next is second question. Consider the following set and fill in the blanks with equal to or not equal to. So to make the statement, A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equal to first three natural numbers. First three natural numbers are 1, 2, 3. So B is equal to say 1, 2, 3. So these two are equal set. Second one, C is equal to A, B, C, D, and D is equal to D, C, A, B. So all elements present in A are C are there in D, and all elements present in D are there in C. Therefore these two are equal. Third question, E equals to A, E, I, O, U. F is equal to set of all ovals. So F will be equal to A, E, I, O, U. So these two are equal sets. Fourth one, so these are all numbers. These are the sets given. So A, what you observe here is A is equal to B, C is equal to D, and E is equal to F. That means now if you fill the first one, A dash B, A is equal to B. Second one, A dash E. A is not equal to, one is present in A and one is not present in E, so not equal to E. Third one, C dash D. C and D are equal. Next, fourth one, D dash F. D is not equal to F. Fifth one, F dash A. If A is present in F but not in A, so it is not equal to A. Sixth one, D dash E. D is present in D but not in E, so it is not equal. Seventh one, F dash B. F dash B. B1 is there but not in F, so it is not equal. Third question. Which of the following statements state whether A is equal to B or not? First one, A is equal to A, B, C, D. Next, B is equal to D, C, A, B. All the elements present in A are there in B and all the elements there in B are present in A. So these two are equal. Second one, A is equal to X such that X is multiple of 10. Multiple of 10. That means A is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, so on. And B is equal to 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, so on. Here, if you observe, 15 belongs to B and 15 does not belongs to A. Therefore, A is not equal to B. Fourth bit, first one. Set 1, 2, 3, so on 10. Set X such that X belongs to N and 1 less than X less than 10. Here 10 belongs to set 1 but 10 does not belongs to set 2 because X is less than 10. 10 is ignored. Therefore these two are not equal. Next question. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. X such that x is equal to 2n plus 1 and x belongs to n. So this set includes all odd numbers. N belongs to n means it starts from 3, 5, 7, 9, so on. Here 3 belongs to set 2, but 3 does not belongs to set 1. Therefore these two are not equal. Third one, 5, 15, 30, 45. Here x such that x is multiple of 15. Multiple of 15 means it contains 15, 30, so on. Here 5 belongs to set 1 and 5 does not belong to set 2. Therefore these two are not equal. Fourth one, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. X such that x is prime. Here this contains 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Sorry, 9 will be not there. 11, 13 and so on. If you observe, 9 belongs to set 1 but 9 does not belong to set 2. Therefore these two are not equal. Next, fifth question. List all the subsets of the following. First one, B is equal to P comma Q. So first, starting with 0 elements, 5 is subset for any set. With one element it is P, with two element one element Q, and next two elements it is P comma Q. So these are subsets of B. Second question, D is equal to A, B, C comma D. So subsets are, first is 5, with one element it is A, B, C, D. Next with two elements A comma B, A comma C, A comma D. Next is B comma C, B comma D, and C comma D. Next three elements A B C, A B D, A C D, and next is B C D. Next is A B C D. So total subset will be equal to 4. And that's it.